Oh wow. Alright guys, I made it. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be making kinky twists. Yes. Alright, so a lot of people have been saying that it's really hard to make your hair yourself. It's not hard at all. Anyone can make their hair, especially people that are living abroad. You can make your hair very easily without having to pay a lot of quid just to make something very simple that you're just gonna have for like 4 weeks. I haven't seen kinky that is pre-stretched and pre-sectioned for you. This hair is both. So I counted it and it's about 36. Each of them has like how many? 6 in it. So 6 times 6 is 36 and I'm using only one bundle. So 36 twists on my head. Let us get into this. And I am not doing anything more than just put this on my head. The most important thing about making your hair is just parting it. And people are like, oh, I can't get a straight packer. You just need 2 mirrors. So this is what one looks like. I don't use rubber bands. If you've been watching my videos, you know I don't like to use rubber bands. I take the hair, the braiding hair, this is it, the length of braiding, twisting hair actually. So you take this hair, this is the third strand, and this is 1 and 2. So this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you just need to know how to do a basic braid. This is for people that can actually braid a little. All right, so you take the hair, you wrap it around your own natural hair. So this is what you just do. Wrap it around your own hair, and so you see I have got 3 strands. So one strand is my hair, one strand is the twisting hair, and the next other one is the twisting hair. So you just make it 3. You just need to have a good grip, very good grip, because if you don't grip it well enough, the hair is not going to look neat. All right, so this is it, good grip. Then just make a tight braid, but not too tight to yank your hair off. So that's it, and you braid as much as you want, but obviously you know this is twisting and making. All right, so I've packed, so I don't want to braid too much. I just want a little braid to grip the hair, and that's it. You take your own natural hair, you divide it into 2 like so, and then you start to twist. You see how easy this is? Very easy. So if you don't want to spend money on going to the stylist or anything, once in a while you just want to do your own thing yourself. And I realized that when I make my own hair, I have less headaches. It's quite easy because I know how much grip how tight I want my grips to be, so it's not that hard to make. I'm trying to finish this hair in 3 hours, guys. 3 hours. All right, so I'm going to show the grip again, just show you guys very clearly what to do and how to grip the hair. Maybe I'll zoom in just for you to see the method like very clearly. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe guys. Wow, the hair is actually long. This is like quite long. I'm going to just stop talking and zoom in.
The way she move that body, I swear I never seen nobody get that she want to party. Baby, won't you come my way? The way she move that body, get that she want to party. Swear I never seen nobody, maybe up until this day. Beautiful girl, my goddess. The way she built the shawty, but she closed the fortress. Baby, don't you be afraid. We've been through a lot of problems, but now comes the time to solve them. So I say don't you worry, I'm gonna treat you right. Baby girl, I don't chase, but this ain't the case. Cause when I see your face, I just want you back on my grip.
It's an hour already and I'm not even halfway done. So I've only been successful, guys, at doing only 13 in 1 hour. Oh, it's going quite slower than I thought it was going to go. But the hair is pretty long, so it's taking time to finish. And yeah, and I had a bit of distraction, but truthfully, I think it's taking longer than I actually thought it was going to take. But I'm still hoping for 3 hours. Crack on, Laura. Even though I have done the pattern, there's some that look a bit don't look very neat, so I just want it to be cleaner, the line to be slightly cleaner than I already did before. So I had to like adjust the pattern a little, but that's also taking time, because even though we said the lines doesn't have to be perfect, but it, you know we can try to make it look neat as possible. So that's what I have been doing, also trying to get the lines a bit straight, especially for the front where I can see very clearly. So when I get to the back, it's going to be hard to make the lines neater than they are right now. So hopefully they're good enough, but I'm not really worried about them. So let me just get this hair done quickly, because I'm going to work tomorrow. To be a star, ooh, I can really dream about it. So I'm not talking through this anymore, because I think we already get the drill. This is still for beginners. It's just that it's for beginners that know how to do a simple braid. So hopefully, if anyone is trying to learn this, they're getting it, and I have achieved something. I have, tried to teach you how to do your own twist. Hopefully, you'll do a full head yourself, and you don't have to pay somebody like 100 quid to make this simple style. I still have a lot of hair to make, and then the anxiety starts, rushing in. You start thinking, why did I start this? Why did I start this? I can't stop anymore. Shouldn't I have just gone to pay somebody for this? And then, yeah, I just told myself, get going, get going, get going. You're almost done. You are doing well. Oh wow. Alright guys, I made it. So 3 hours. It was like a full battle. I should have showed you guys like a clock to show you guys when I started. I actually started about 11 p.m. and this is 2 a.m. What's my phone now? Hope this video has helped somebody, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I lost my audio, so I don't even know what I was saying exactly, but oh well. All right, see you all in my next video. Don't forget to like, drop a comment in the comment section. Bye, love you. The way she moved that body, I swear I never seen nobody get that shoe on to body. Baby, won't you come my way?